In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the rebuilt RailClone cladding collection and see how quickly you can create and adapt to different facade and panel designs. The new collection includes 15 fully parametric styles, and all of the presets use a shared workflow and materials system. To get started, you'll need a spline on the surface to define the area you want to clad. This can be a simple rectangle or a more complex shape depending on your project. Next, create a RailClone object. Open the library browser and navigate to the cladding category. I'm going to load one of the plank styles, but the workflow is the same for all the others. Now at the moment, nothing is happening because the style doesn't know which shape to use yet. So to fix that, go to the base objects rollout and add the spline. As soon as we assign it, RailClone generates the cladding automatically, and you can now begin to refine the design. One of the biggest changes to this new collection is that the materials are now directly available from the Modify panel. Instead of opening the library browser and loading a different version, I can simply choose another option from the drop-down list. Below that, you'll find controls that affect the plank themselves. We can adjust the width and the length, introduce variation, add spacing between boards, and make small changes that help break repetition over larger surfaces. Further down, there are controls for the layout. For example, you can switch between horizontal and vertical arrangements, adjust spacing between the rows, create staggered patterns, and alter the overall appearance without changing to a different preset. The louver and panel systems work in a similar way, that they do include additional controls that are specific to those styles. For example, the louver preset allows you to control the rotation angle and spacing, while the panel systems add controls for offsets and framing elements. But that's all there is to it. The aim of these rebuilt collections was to make these systems faster to use, easier to modify, and more consistent across styles. Stay tuned for more revamped styles as well as new libraries coming soon.